Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the UCO Stormproof Match Kit. Alright, thanks for joining me today. I understand some of the people who are kind of new to prepping may not feel comfortable with starting a fire using a ferro rod or using a friction fire method, or and they just don't feel comfortable with it. You see it on here, maybe you're not very good at it, maybe you haven't practiced enough yet, and you want a reliable way to start a fire and carry it safely in, say, your bug out bag or even around your house to start your fireplace, whatever. That's where something like this comes in, okay? These are made by UCO, and by the way, I love their products. They make decent products, pretty affordable, good outdoor gear, some good survival stuff they have. It'll come in a box like this, okay? And it comes with 25 matches, and you can buy the matches individually. You can also buy the bigger UCO matches individually. But for now, we're going to stick with these. They look something like that, and we're going to test it out. And this runs about $4 something, I think, or something. I'll have a link to it in the description in my store. They're fairly reliable. This also comes in a green. I like the blaze orange because if I drop this in the woods, it's a very unnatural color. It'll show up. The green kind of blends in. It's an OD green, it'll blend right in. So, pretty much, these are the best matches I've used as far as, a survival match or, an emergency match. They burn for up to 15 seconds. You got a nice long match, so it allows for a little bit of extra safety. Let's open them up so I can show you. They do burn very, very hot, okay? So you got to be careful. They will throw some sparks once in a while. Let me see if I can get one out of here now. There we go. Give you a little look at it up close. Okay? And they also come with some additional strikers on the side. These are not strike anywhere matches. I'm sorry, they come with additional strikers for the side. This comes out when it gets worn down or if it gets wet or damaged. And I believe there's 3 extras in here. Okay? So, before you light it, make sure you cover it back up. Oh, I forgot. They also put a piece of cotton up here for tinder. It is not treated with anything. I don't think you'd want to stick, a greasy cotton ball up there that's been treated with anything. So it's just a piece of cotton. I'm sure you could put any kind of tinder you want up there. When I use that up, I may stick dryer lint up there. Perfectly fine. So you want to make sure you close it back up before you strike it. And it does have a little O-ring on the side, so this is waterproof. Won't get water in there. And we're just going to light one of these to demo it. And I'm going to bring over some water. The first thing we're going to do is dip it in water. Oh darn, it got wet. It fell in the water. What am I going to do? Well, let's take it out. Shake it off. And what do you know? It burns. This kind of burns like a sparkler, if you can see that. Now let's see. And it relights. You gotta love that. It's actually boiling the water under there. And it keeps relighting, but now it went out. So, you got a match here that's capable of staying lit, even when it gets wet. You got a match you don't have to worry about if you drop it in a damp campground or whatever, or a damp place. And you got a match that's going to burn pretty much strongly for as long as you need it to. You can definitely get a fire started with it. The way it burns, it's almost like it carries its own little tinder on the sides. So starting a fire with it should be fairly simple. And you get some extras, and you can get replacement matches. They sell these. They sell the kit at Walmart as well as the replacement matches, so it's not something hard to get. So to sum it up, these are a great alternative for somebody who is probably not as confident as they should be in their fires making skills. And that's okay, You don't have to learn everything in a day. They're also a good, handy backup. I'm going to stick these in one of my go bags just because it's good to have a backup. You could lose your ferro rod. This could be all you have, so it's not a bad idea to have a backup. One thing I will tell you, they really stink. There's a very strong sulfur smell to them. I am in my garage/studio here, and I can smell it, even though I have the side door on the side there open. I can smell it. So they will have a little bit of smell. If you're sensitive to smells, it may bother you. But all in all, this is really hard to beat. You get the matches. You get a little spot up there for tinder, which they've kind of shown you by sticking some tinder up there. You get replaceable strikers. And the matches themselves are waterproof and will even burn when they get wet. Now the bigger matches, you notice how when I dunked it in water, it went out. It was still burning, but it wasn't burning with flame. And when I took it back out, it lit up. The bigger matches, they make the big, huge ones, they're about that big, really thick. Those will burn underwater. You'll actually see flame underwater. So anyway, this is kind of an older product. It's been around for a while. I figured it is something that I want to show people because I understand I have a lot of new preppers, you know, on the channel, as well as people who are seasoned veterans. And even for the seasoned veterans, having something like this hanging out in your bug out bag is pretty handy. You know, there's lots of, you could be injured. You may not be able to use your ferro rod. So something like this may come in handy for you. Anyway, these are the UCO Stormproof matches. I'm going to put a link down below in the description box, a link directly to these. You can buy them in either the green, as I said, the OD green, or the orange kind of color here. Don't forget to check out the Amazon store. Even if you're not buying anything in our store, if you're just doing your regular Amazon shopping, click the link down below. Go buy whatever you need. You know, you don't need to use my store. And it kind of helps the channel out so we can bring you more content. And also, don't forget our Thrive Life link down below. I got a really cool Thrive order coming. So we're going to try out some of the food from it. If you're interested in getting started with some freeze-dried storage, again, there's nothing to join. You can order individual items. I have a lot of my subscribers that just order a few items here and there. If you do want to become a distributor, there are a lot of benefits. If you're interested in that, shoot me a message over on the Thrive site, or just leave a link with your email below in the comments and I'll email you. But you can just buy freeze-dried food. There's no obligation. And the stuff's really good. So I got that coming up. So don't forget to click that link down below too. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like or subscribe if you like the channel. And stay safe and stay prepared.